You're so pretty. Hello, pretties. Good morning. You're so pretty. I'm so pretty. Our skin is so beautiful, especially if you put nutrition like this into your body. And if you dig this kind of stuff, my website is tomberkenmeyer.com. Just like it's spelled here, take out the space, all lowercase. So I've already got most of this put together, so we'll keep this one rather short than some of my other ones. But in here, I've got just water, or if you want to use a nut milk, never dairy. Califio makes a really good almond milk, a toasted coconut almond milk with no extra sugar, and they do a really good job at keeping the excipients out, because a lot of nut milks have excipients that aren't very good for you. Hey Sarah, hi Rob, and everyone else. So outside of the water or nut milk, hi Valerie, I've got a tablespoon of chia seeds, very good for the skin, very good for your arteries and your cardiovascular health and brain health and anti-inflammation. Chia seeds are awesome. I got a little bit of cayenne pepper in there for the heat. If you don't like cayenne pepper, don't worry, you don't have to add it, but there's also some other health benefits in there. 1 drop of cinnamon bark oil. Cinnamon bark oil has 500 times the potency of regular cinnamon. 500. So you never want to take it straight because it'll burn your taste buds right off. Hey Karen, hey Andy. So you always want to blend it with something. And I'll put a link in the descriptions after this is all over to the cinnamon bark oil that I use and also the blender that I use. And then we've got raspberries. Raspberries is going to be actually the most important thing I add to this blend, because the raspberry specifically it's a superfood for the skin and hair and nails, especially the skin. It is the beautifying fruit for the skin, like specifically the skin. It's also highly anti-cancerous. It proliferates the growth of fat cells as well as cancer cells. So raspberries is like a multi-purpose little fruit. It's just wonderful. The best thing you could do for your skin is eat raspberries, lots of raspberries, and drink lots of water, and highly cancerous, and inhibits the growth of fat cells and tumor cells and cancer cells. So the raspberry is pretty awesome. But most of that is in the seeds of the raspberry. And the seeds of the raspberry, the body doesn't really break down on its own, and most blenders aren't going to extract the nutrients of those seeds in the raspberries, so you need a blender that can extract those nutrients from the raspberry seeds. And there's only 3 that I know of that can do that: a Blendtec or a Vitamix. Those are $500, $600, $700 blenders. Then there's another blender that is only about $100 or a little less than $100 last I checked. And so I'm going to give you a link to that blender in the description of this video so you can make sure you got the right one. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, and then of course the most important, the base of it is going to be this bag of powder. It's my chocolate vegan superfoods blend. It's got over 70 different superfood ingredients in it. And so that's the base of all this. And then I'll put the raspberries in there with it, fresh raspberries, frozen raspberries, and then the cinnamon bark oil, cayenne pepper powder, optional. And from there, maybe some frozen pineapple chunks if I want to as well. But what I'm also going to do for this one is I'm going to add some oatmeal, raw oatmeal. Old-fashioned Quaker oats. The steel cut, I don't think you can have raw as far as I know. I can't imagine it would work out anyway. But when you have oatmeal raw, it's starch resistant. That should open up some new doorways in your brain. Starch resistant. I'm not going to get into that here, but if you want to learn what's so amazing about starch resistant foods and some examples of some that you can eat, just go to my website, tomberkenmeyer.com, and go to the search field and just search for the keywords starch resistant. And my website is just my name is spelled here. Take out the space, all lowercase, tomberkenmeyer.com. So now I got it all together. I'm going to blend it up. That's about all it takes. And if you want to know about the superfoods blend that I'm using, a link for the superfoods powder, just send me a private message asking for it and I'll send you the link. You can look at all the ingredients of everything that's in it. But there's a lot of things in it that makes the skin all pretty, like it makes the hair grow faster and look amazing, and fingernails grow I have to cut them at least once a week versus like once a month. So all of these things are designed, and when that's healthy hair, skin, and nails, that's symptomatic of healthy organs, internal vital organs, and also the health of the blood and your energy and how you feel every day and your ability to focus long-term, sustainable throughout the day. So here it is. Let's try it out. It never gets old. I've been drinking these and selling these for years and years. And it's a chocolate orgasm. Each and every time. Big old chocolate orgasm. That's how good it tastes. So that's it. Hi Erica, nice to see you. That's today's Make Your Skin All Pretty Superfoods blend. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to talk about your health goals, feel free to private message me. And I know some of you want to make better money than you're making right now and combine that with health and wellness and nutrition and fitness. You can private message me about that too. And I'll put links in the description after this video is all done of where you can get the stuff that I've specifically used in this video. Okay? So, make it a great day, everyone. Bye for now. Kiss your face.